If you're planning a trip to Israel, then listen up. These are the apps that I recommend you download before getting here. First, instead of Venmo, we use Gett or PayBox, which definitely comes in handy if a machine is down and you need to pay the person directly. Like it happened to me at the ice cream shop, the machine was actually down, so I bit the ice cream seller directly, which my dad, who's American, thought was hilarious. If you want to order a cab, we don't have Uber, we use the app Gett, which can definitely help you at the airport. You can order a Gett in advance. If you're gonna rent a car, then download the app Pango, which acts like a meter, so you can turn it on when you park in blue and white. Gray usually is always free, double check, do not park in the red, but always check the sign, don't trust me. If you're gonna use public transportation, Moovit, which gives you bus times, train times, you can even download your tickets on the app. Getting around, we use Waze religiously since it was developed here. If you want to order food, then we have Wolt or Tembis. And I hate to mention it, but we are in Israel. Things happen, unfortunately. You should 100% have Pikud Ha'oref downloaded before. In case there's a siren, it tells you where the siren is, if it's in your area, how much time you have, and what to do, the rules. Have an amazing time in Israel. And if you want to brush up on your Hebrew before you come, then take a look at our upcoming classes.